Hello there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little demonstration and walk you through the features I have created for you. Well, this is the actual code file. You can see this all in PHP and something. There is some photos and the favicon and CSS to style, obviously. So I have already tested it, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to reinstall the whole thing so that you can see, you can understand, and you can judge that this thing actually works perfectly. Well, I'm going to do it in a local host, so I'm going to run my Apache server and my database MySQL. So for the first thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do to PHP my admin. Well, here's the thing. Okay, so here's the localhost php my admin page, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a database so we can write down the query, but I have already created all the query code here. So I'm going to import and browse the first one, the db.sql, and then I'm going to execute it. And if you don't have to remember the whole thing, which step you have to do after that, because I'm going to provide an instruction file in it, and there is, as the name says, instructions. Well, the script, what does it, just created a database name login says. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get into the login says, and I'm going to import another script. This is the user table.sql, and I'm going to open it and execute it. This is going to create a table with all the bells and whistles we need. So this is almost, we are prepared to use this database. And what we are going to do, we're going to actually, where are we? Well, what I have to do, I have to copy the data, actual files. Oh, this is too deep. Well, here is all the files. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here, the local host. Okay, so let's do a local host and blah. Here we are. So as you can see, I have already tested with users, so the session is still here, so I'm still logged in, but I'm going to log out and guide you through the whole thing. So if I log out, you can see I'm redirected to the login page, and here we have some little tiny details and designs. What I really think is making these simple designs so gorgeous. I know they are kinda opposite words, but yeah. Well, here's the thing, there's the username and password. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create another account because we don't have it right now. So let's create another account. We have to select a username. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fluffy 3301. Okay, and I'm going to throw a password and another one. So right now what I did, I had created this, so you have to put at least 8 characters. Your password have to be at least 8 characters. It can be changed, it can be 12, it can be 16, or it can be 4, whatever you want. Here you can see, if we want to reset the whole sign up thing, maybe we just screw up something. So here it is. There's a little reset button where we're gonna click it, everything is reset. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put it again, 3301, and I'm gonna throw a password, a simple password, and sign up. So we are again redirected to the login page, and what you're gonna do, we are going to, okay, so after 3301 we're going to log in. Okay, so here is your the actual website there will be your actual website. I'm sorry for the stuttering. It might be your website admin page or in portal or something. I just created this simple thing so that I can show you 3 unique features. I also created, rather than just making a login system with relational database according to your documents. So here you have sign out, which is obviously going to sign you out, and reset password. I'm going to demonstrate the reset password thing, but I wanna talk about this for a moment, because here you can see it is calling me by my username. So you can use this feature for customizing your content in your portal or website, wherever you're gonna use it. You can customize the experience based on the username, so you can justify who is logged in and how you want to present all the data and so on. So if we go to reset password and we click it, so here is another password. You have to create a new password. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create another password for this user, this fluffy3301 user, and if I reset the password, it will redirect me to the login, because we have reset the password, so we have to log in again. Now if I put the old password, it won't let me log in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the new password, and voila, we're in. So there is login, sign up, reset password, sign out, and this is the whole thing is session related. So if I sign out once, I can't, you can think that if I just do this, I should be able to get there. No, because it's all session related and not even reset password. I have to log in first. To log in first. Oh, I just put it the wrong password. Okay, so here is the functionality. Let's get to the code. Well, actually there is nothing to see. Well, there is a lot of things to see, but nothing to worry about, because everything is just work fine. The only thing you have to take care about is the config.php. I'm running it on my local host, and I'm not even protecting my database with a password. So the server URL is localhost, server username, database username is root, database password is nothing because it's not protected, and database name login sys. Well, if you can say this is our database name. So if you want to change the database name, or you have to use another database, you have to write down your credentials here. All you have to do is take care of these 4 lines and everything will work just fine. This is the index.php. You can just simply dump all this code and use your own website or own page for the index.php. This is your gateway for your portal or your website. Here is the login.php file, here is logout, register and register password, all this thing. Okay, reset password, register, all these things, style for the css and assets, or just some pictures, because I just throw a simple favicon here, also a log thing. So this is it, and I hope you like it, because I put a lot of time and brain power in it. If you want any kind of changes, just let me know, I'll be there for you. Thank you.